Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use copper peptide serum. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face. Take a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. Then, gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Allow it a moment to absorb before moving on to your next skincare step. This ensures maximum efficacy and prepares your skin for further treatment. For optimal results, incorporate copper peptide serum into your evening routine, using it once daily. After application, give the serum a few minutes, perhaps 3 to 5 minutes, to fully absorb into your skin. This allows the active ingredients to penetrate effectively. Consistent daily use is crucial for experiencing the full range of benefits, leading to noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance over time. When layering, apply your copper peptide serum after cleansing and toning, but before heavier creams. It's best to follow with a good moisturizer to seal in the benefits and provide additional hydration. A crucial tip: avoid combining copper peptides with strong acids like AHA or BHAs or with retinoids in the same application. This prevents potential irritation and maintains product stability. Copper peptides are renowned for supporting collagen and elastin production, which significantly improves skin firmness and elasticity. They also work to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother, more youthful complexion. Before full facial application, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of skin. This simple step helps ensure your skin tolerates the product well.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.